About a rather outrageous incident of racial profiling. International golfing star Jeev Milkha Singh's coach has been racially profiled in Milan.
In fact, Amrinder Singh was taken to a public toilet and frisked. In fact, he was asked to take his turban off. Now, the coach was warned by the police when he objected to taking his turban off. He was told by the police that he would not be allowed to board the flight if he did not cooperate. And obviously, Amrinder Singh had no other way but to agree.
In fact, let's tell you what exactly happened on the 15th of March while at the airport at Milan. Jeev Milkha Singh's coach Amrinder Singh was stopped and asked to remove his turban and not board his flight. It is only later that he has now been taken to a public toilet and then forced to remove his turban.
Well, we guys were taking a flight from Milan airport to Sicily. Catania is the other end of the airport where we were landing at, and we were at Terminal 2. It's a domestic flight within Italy. And after I went through the security check, X-ray, everything, the security guy standing on the other side asked me to take off my turban. And I told him, I said, I'm not going to take it off. He says, no, you have to take it off. Either you take it off here or you go to a private room. So I said, okay, let's go to the private room. So I went to and he didn't take me to any private room. He took me to a public toilet. And the door was open. And people were standing outside waiting to use the toilet. And I tried to reason with him and tell him, I said, listen, look at my passport. I've been traveling for the last 35 years. I'm a professional golfer. I'm here for a European tour event. He did not want to listen to anything. And he called another policeman along with him, and he made me put my passport on the sink, and I told him, I said, okay, even if I take my turban off, I had two options, either to obey him or create a scene there, for which probably I would have got arrested for, because I was breaking the law as in their books.
Now, in the meantime, angry reactions have started coming in from all quarters, both political and in fact also reactions coming in from Milkha Singh.
कि इटली के अंदर मेरा बेटा यूरोपियन टूर पे खेलने के लिए गया है और वहां पे उसके कोच की जो है वो पगड़ी उतारी गई। हालांकि उसके कोच ने वहां पे काफी अपने आप को उनसे कहा कि ये सिक्की के खिलाफ है, मैं पगड़ी नहीं उतारूंगा। तो उन्होंने ये कहा कि हम आपको यहाँ इटली के अंदर एंटर नहीं होने देंगे। तो ये बहुत बुरी बात है और मैं ये चाहता हूं कि सिख कम्युनिटी जितनी भी है वो इस बात से नाराज है। जो भी मुझे टेलीफोन आ रहे हैं अमृतसर से, जलंधर से, हर एक जगह से, कि ये जो वाकया हुआ है ये बहुत बुरा हुआ है, ये नहीं होना चाहिए था।
This is very unfortunate. Time and again, especially in the European Union and in the United States of America, these things are happening. It's very unfortunate. And turban, it is a religious symbol of a Sikh. If you tell them to remove it and put it on the tray to pass it through the X-ray machine, why? It is a cloth. It is basically a cloth. It may be a cloth, but it is a symbol of our religious sentiment. So it looks very funny. The country where the people in Italy, where the people knows many things about India due to Sonia Gandhi. So and Sonia Gandhi ultimately designated a prime minister who is a Sikh, who is a turbaned man. And still, if it happens in the land of Italy, it looks very bad and very sad.